I'm Scott from Konig, and join me while we unbox this Konig Forged F3S so you can see all the goodness that's inside. So now let's go ahead and start to unpack this thing. You'll see we encourage you to test fit the wheel before mounting. Also, you'll get inside, you'll realize that protection is the theme of this package. And so the first thing we have is a big piece of PE foam, and you'll see embedded in that PE foam is going to be some goodies. The first is the center cap. The second is going to be this Konig Forged folder. All right, so let's get into the center cap. The center cap is going to be packaged in this nice box here. One thing you should note is that with every center cap, this is an O-ring center cap. This is a billet aluminum center cap that has been designed to be able to use an O-ring. So now let's open this baby up here. We got the good old aluminum billet center cap. This O-ring goodness here. Konig Forged. This is all engraved aluminum, really nice stuff. Again, billet aluminum has the O-ring on it for your first installation. Make sure you use that seal lubricant, which is found here in this bag. Inside the Konig Forged folder, you will see that it comes with a thank you letter from myself. In addition to that, it also comes with a page that's going to allow you to scan a QR code to get a bunch of commonly asked questions out of the way, and it will include specific instructions in regards to installation, care, and the registration of your wheels. Finally, you will get a certificate of authenticity that comes with every Konig Forged set. So let's go ahead and get this wheel out of the box. We have the dust covering in here just to keep everything nice and fresh. Let's get this bag off. All right, so now we got our Konig Forged wheel. You see how it comes. So let's go ahead and take off this beautiful little plastic ring. Make sure, again, no damage, and our booty cover. And there you have it. Konig F3S. Make sure you check it out. All the information is available on konigwheels.com, and you can find all the detailed pricing information on store.konigwheels.com.